$25 a week. That's all this takes. By the end of this video, that number is going to sound completely different. Somewhere, right now, someone turned this exact amount into $5,000 a month. Not through the stock market, not through luck. It took 18 months. One small decision, repeated until it became something bigger than anyone expected, including the person who started it. Here's exactly how it happened. Level by level. Rain on the window. A phone in your hand. A blank page staring back at you. $100. That's the number the calculator gives you. It doesn't feel like enough. It never does, at first. 2 envelopes on the desk. Car payment. Student loan. Both past due. You almost don't type anything. But you do. $25 sits there on the desk. The $25 you didn't spend tonight. You open a trading app first. Old habit. Then you push it away. Not that. The graph barely moves. You already knew it wouldn't. You close the laptop. A calendar on the wall. A few dates circled that don't mean anything yet. One line, scrawled on paper. Sell it more than once. That's the whole plan. You scroll listings on your phone, looking for whatever people are already paying for. A list. 17 things. You cross most of them out. 3 left. Video editing. Furniture assembly. Dog walking. You pick the cheapest one to start. A free tutorial. Nothing else costs you anything yet. Someone across the street is walking a dog. You watch for a second. Then you turn back. Tabs open. Late night. You get frustrated once. You keep going anyway. A free editing tool already open. A timeline. Some clips. Your hands finally know what to do with them. A music library plays quietly. Your finger taps along without thinking about it. You type in payment details for a subscription that costs almost everything sitting on the desk. The $25 you've been protecting all week. You read the fine print twice. You don't trust yourself not to miss something. You click subscribe. The laptop lid comes down halfway. You let out a breath you didn't know you were holding. For listings go up in 4 places. $15 a clip. Your thumb hits post before you can second guess it. Nothing happens for 3 days. You check anyway, more than you'd like to admit. Then a message lands. 5 videos, $75 total. Your eyes go wide before your brain catches up. You type, yes, I can do that, faster than you actually believe it. Free tabs open. A pause tutorial. The clock reads 11. You keep going anyway. You rub your eyes at the calculator. $12.50 an hour. You look away before the number can ruin the moment. A notification lights up the phone. A thank you, nothing more. Something in your face softens anyway. You lean back in the chair, phone still in your hand. The calendar behind you with one date circled like it matters now. Morning light comes through the window differently this time. You're standing a little straighter than you were a week ago. Another message arrives. Someone's friend needs videos too. You read it twice before it lands. You shrug, half a smile, staring at a finished timeline that didn't exist an hour ago. Clean, simple, nothing fancy, but it's done, and that's the part that counts. 2 chat threads, side by side. One says no response in 4 days. The other says delivered on time. You type a new number into the quote. $20 a video. You hit send before the fear catches up. You set the phone down and lean back. For once, the exhale isn't nervous. A torn note on the desk. $15 crossed out. $20 written next to it, like a decision you already made. 3 chat windows open now, 3 different names, and a small stack of notes that's starting to look like a system. A notebook page fills with numbers across different weeks. $75, $90, $82. It's starting to look like a pattern. You unbox a small microphone, turning it slightly, testing the angle like it's going to change everything. You adjust the stand and step back, thinking it over longer than you probably need to. A message lights up. Audio sounds so much better now. Something in your face settles that wasn't there before. A paycheck stub sits next to a list of client payments. You look between the 2 longer than you expect to. You stare past the desk toward the window, rain still coming down. You don't have words for this yet. Outside, the clouds start breaking at the edges. It's not much, but it's something. A dinner invite lights up the group chat. Your thumb hovers, then taps out. Can't make it tonight. Back at the desk, late, a half-eaten meal beside the keyboard. You keep typing with the other hand. A text comes in. You've been acting weird about money lately. Everything okay? You don't have a clean answer. You type back. Just busy lately, sorry. It's not a lie. It's just not the whole truth either. You keep working while a party glows quietly in a window across the street, the one you're not at tonight. Morning light again. The room's a little tidier than it used to be, and you didn't notice it happening. A real estate walkthrough plays on the screen. A sticky note on the monitor says recurring realtor. That word means something now. A calendar on the wall. One name repeats across the weeks. The rest are scattered, but that one keeps showing up. You're walking down the sidewalk at dusk, and there's a worn path in the grass beside the pavement, one that wasn't there before. A banking app glows on the phone. $340. You study it like it might say something if you look long enough. A shoe store website sits open on one tab. You close it without buying anything. You fill out a brokerage account form with steady hands, like you've done this before even though you haven't. Your finger hovers over confirm. You hold there for a second. Then you tap it. $100 goes into the deposit field. The cursor blinks like it's waiting for you to change your mind. You don't. You lean back and stare at the balance. It doesn't move. You didn't expect it to. The graph stays flat while your phone glows with everyone else's exciting life. You feel the gap. $109 now. Barely different. You almost forget you're supposed to care. You stay focused on the editing work while the brokerage icon just sits there, untouched. Two windows open, one editing, one minimized, and your hands don't stop moving between them. An envelope on the desk reads Business Fund, $240. It's not much. It's a beginning, though. You check out on a plugin. $180. More than you've spent on anything else in this whole process. A progress bar fills slowly on the screen. You wait it out, more patient than you thought you'd be. Render complete. You lean back, eyebrows up, genuinely surprised by your own shortcut. Before, 3 hours. After, 90 minutes. The math just changed without you asking it to. You do it on paper, twice, just to be sure. Your hourly rate just doubled. Nobody raised a price to make that happen. Two icons sit in front of you, a tool and a stock chart. You take a step toward the tool. It's not even close. There's a night you sit on the edge of the bed, laptop closed beside you, head down. Just tired. You scroll the phone in the dark, the screen the only light left in the room. A post stops your thumb cold. Tripled in 4 months. A screenshot of a chart that isn't yours. You grab a notepad and start scribbling numbers, frustrated, trying to make the math say something it won't. Two calculations, both crossed out. Your grip tightens on the pen like it's the pen's fault. You flip the phone face down. Open the laptop. Back to the client folder. Back to work. Your eyes move steadily across the timeline while the phone stays dark and forgotten beside the keyboard. A second monitor now. 6 sticky notes on the wall, 6 names, 6 reasons to keep going. The same desk, morning light on one side, lamp light on the other. The same place, doing double duty. You walk out of the office in work clothes. Somewhere else, the same person sits at a home desk, still editing. A message lands on the group chat. You seem different lately, good different. A small smile you didn't plan on. You're standing at a gathering, relaxed in a way you weren't a year ago. Nobody around you knows why. Beside the old car in the driveway, the check engine light still glows faintly through the windshield. Some things don't change yet. You stand a little apart from the group outside, holding a drink. Nobody notices anything different. That's the whole point. Just an ordinary driveway. The same car. Nothing visibly changed, but you know something has. The balance crosses $1,000. A transfer notification slides in right underneath it. $150. Move before you could talk yourself out of it. Auto transfer on. $150 a week. Your finger just confirmed the one decision future you won't have to make twice. A notification comes in. You barely register it, still typing, like it's already routine. A pricing page glows on the screen. $120 a package. You review it, nod once, and move on. 3 client threads, all accepted, and one came with a referral attached. Nobody left over the price. You look out the window at dusk, laptop open behind you, thinking about something you haven't said out loud yet. A printed wedding invitation sits on the desk. You pick it up, and for once, you're not already calculating a way out of it. A memory surfaces, declining an invitation a year ago on this same phone. This time, you're not declining anything. You check the banking app out of habit, exhale, and set the phone down without the panic that used to come with it. You stand at the edge of the wedding reception, watching quietly, not needing to be in the center of it. A spreadsheet, a car, 2 ideas floating above your head, side by side. You already know which one you're choosing. You're sitting at the edge of the gathering with a small, content smile that doesn't need an audience. A better monitor now. Morning light spills across a desk that looks nothing like it did a year ago. You type out a message, sending you the overflow project, $15 a video. Calm, like delegating is just another Tuesday. Your finger hovers over send payment. You hold there for a second, then press it, paying someone else with money you earned yourself. You step back from the desk, arms crossed, looking at two screens, your edit and someone else's finished file. A diagram on the notepad, a flat line, a ceiling that's been there the whole time. The same diagram, but now the line breaks through it. You didn't plan the moment. It just happened. A weekly calendar on the wall, most of the hours already blocked out. A few gaps left, smaller than they used to be. You close the laptop, calm, after sending the work off to someone else. No ceremony, just Tuesday, $4,012. You glance at it, set the phone aside, and feel almost nothing. The number stopped being the exciting part a while ago. Weather app, brokerage app, same casual glance either way now. Auto transfer, active, unchanged for weeks. Your eyes pass right over it. A small gains number sits on the screen. You shrug. It is what it is. The account's just a jar on a shelf now. You walk past it toward the desk, where the real work is happening. Two monitors, client projects running, and the jar glows quietly in the background, doing its own slow, boring job. A message lands. The new rate doesn't work for us. We'll have to part ways. You read it calm. No panic left in you. You set the phone down and go right back to the keyboard. No hesitation. A pricing chart on the notepad. One name crossed out. The rest still there, still paying the higher rate. You're sitting across from a manager, listening, nodding slowly, letting them get to the point. You shake your head once, calm, composed. Not yet. That's the whole answer. You walk out of the office at dusk, tired, but the pace never breaks stride. The home desk again, dual monitors now, a small plant, morning light pouring in like it belongs there. A spreadsheet on the monitor. Weekly numbers have quietly turned into monthly totals. Nobody announced the shift. A dashboard glows with 11 client folders and 2 subcontractor names, organized in a way that used to feel impossible. An old crumpled note pinned to the corkboard reads $15 a video. You tap it gently, and something in your face softens. Sunday evening. A calculator. Slow, steady presses. The same ritual from the beginning, except the numbers mean something different now. Revenue, $6,200. Costs, $1,100. You underline both, steady-handed, like this is just how Sundays go now. Net, $5,100. You circle it and lean back, letting the number sit there. 2 screens, side by side. $9,200 in the brokerage account. $5,100 a month from the business. The gap between them says everything. An old, faded $25 bill rests right next to the spreadsheet. The whole story, condensed into 2 objects on a desk. A finance influencer plays paused on your phone, showing off a car you don't want. You shake your head, unimpressed. You stand in the home office, looking at everything that's been built here. You let yourself feel proud without rushing past it. You open the old Notes app, the same one from the very first night, and something in your chest goes quiet. The original list is still there, items crossed out one by one. You scroll through it slowly, remembering how small it felt. You set the phone down and look straight ahead, steady, like you already know what comes next. A note on the desk reads, "It was never the $25. You already knew that. You just needed to see it written down. Somewhere else, in a similar dim room, someone else is holding a glowing phone, feeling exactly the way you did that first night. Their Notes app is blank too, same as yours was, before any of this started. Their dim room slowly fades into your organized office. 2 moments in time, side by side, closer than they look. Their hand touches the screen. Warm light breaks through the cold. And somewhere, it begins the same way it began for you.